We literally take thousands of photos with our smartphones every year. But what's the use of all those photos if you really can't share them with everyone in your life? Sure, if they're digitally connected, you can share some of them on Facebook, Instagram. But what about your parents or grandparents that might not be as adept at that? Well, there's a lot of Wi-Fi photo frames out in the market. This is something from PhotoSpring. It's called the PhotoSpring Wi-Fi Photo Album. And you can actually now share all those photos you're taking with anyone that has one of these.
These digital photo frames have been around for a couple of years now, but I'm surprised people really haven't adopted with them. And I think the reason why, it was a lot of work to get those photos.
Yeah, you had to manually kind of upload everything there, which is kind of a pain. You might do that once, but then those photos are there for years to come.
So what PhotoSpring has done is they try to make it easier for you to get fresh photos onto the album. So you could give this to your parents or your grandparents. Maybe you have little toddlers. You can take pictures of them with your smartphone, and it will automatically sync so that someone can see those pictures almost in real time. And I think that's the secret for this to happen, Mike, is everything has to be automated. But you can invite different people to contribute to albums on the photo frame. So it's something that the entire family can enjoy.
Yeah, so the key is that it is Wi-Fi enabled. So whoever has this, you'll want to make sure that they have a Wi-Fi connection so that they can get the updated photos. It's a 10.1-inch screen, and what I like is that you can actually take the screen right off the stand. Inside the frame itself, there's a 4-hour battery, and again, when you want to charge it up again, for most people, I think they'll probably just leave it on the stand the whole time. You just basically put it back down and you're kind of good to go. And
an interesting thing is you have two different options. You could have it in this landscape mode, or if you want to go portrait, you know, we do this with our smartphones all the time, it's able to dock this way as well. So you get a lot of
It's one of the few ones that can do that properly.
Absolutely. And not only does it do photos, it can do videos as well. So if you have a little short clip of, say, the kids doing something funny, you can actually send that to the grandparent right onto the PhotoSpring photo frame.
So there's a lot of different sizes available as far as the memory size, 16, 32 gigabytes, etc. And starting, you know, under a few $100s. So again, if you want to share those memories with everyone in your life, definitely have a look at the PhotoSpring Wi-Fi photo album. Get more information at photospring.com.